Limiters allow your users to narrow the focus of their searches so that the information they retrieve from your EBSCOhost databases on the new user interface is limited according to the values they select. Using EBSCOadmin, administrators can determine which limiters are available to users, as well as which are pre-selected by default. To modify the limiters for your EBSCOhost profiles on the new user interface, begin by logging into EBSCOadmin. On the Customize Services tab, choose the profile for which you would like to modify limiters. On the Searching sub-tab, scroll down to the Limiters and Expanders settings area and click the Modify link to the right of Limiters. Select the database for which you would like to modify the limiter settings, or mark the checkbox at the bottom of the screen to apply your changes across all databases on the profile. Please note, when customizing the limiters for EBSCO Discovery Service, the option to select a specific database is not available. From the Screen drop-down menu, select the Advanced Search screen. From the Order column, you can specify the order in which your limiters appear on the search screen by adjusting the numbers. In the Edit Limiter Label column, you can change the descriptive text displayed with your limiters. In the Show column, mark the checkboxes of the limiters you want users to be allowed to select. In the Default column, choose which limiters you would like to be selected by default. If a limiter is showing and defaulted to On, users have the ability to deselect it prior to searching. Note, you may also choose to default an item to On, but not display it for the user. An example is to default the full-text limiter to On but not show it, which results in users' searches always returning results that include full text. When you are finished making your selections, click Submit to save your changes. At any time, you can click on the Help link or blue question mark bubble to view help information on EBSCO Connect. You can also contact EBSCO support by logging into your EBSCO Connect account and clicking Contact Support.